Hi everyone. Let's learn how to talk about sports in English. Look at these three: tennis, swimming, and yoga. But wait, do we use the same word for all of them? Do you say, play yoga or do yoga? Do you play swimming or go swimming? Let's find out the secrets of play, do, and go. First, play. We use play for ball sports and team games. Play soccer, play basketball, play baseball, play rugby, play table tennis, and play golf.
Next, do. We use do for individual sports and martial arts. Do ballet, do yoga, do gymnastics. Do archery, do boxing, and do judo.
Finally, go. We use go for activities that end in ing. Go running, go swimming, go cycling, go ice skating, go snowboarding, and go surfing. Great job, everyone! You learned how to use play, do, and go. Now it's your turn. Which verb is correct? Let's try.
Quiz 1. I soccer. The answer is play. I play soccer. Great job! Quiz 2. I swimming. The answer is go. I go swimming. You're doing great. Quiz 3. I baseball. The answer is play. I play baseball. Excellent. Quiz 4. I karate. The answer is do. I do karate. Wonderful. Quiz 5. I skating. The answer is go. I go skating. Nice work. Quiz 6. I archery. The answer is do. I do archery. Perfect.
Great job! You are a sports expert now. You all did an amazing job learning play, do, and go today. If you had fun, please hit the like button and subscribe for more English adventures. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.